Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function. So it's going to be a relatively quick one. So this is a continuation of what I did on the if statement where I use and or. So if you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description. If you're here after viewing that one, welcome back. I've amended this ever so slightly. So I've added in, I changed a couple of names, so we've got some females there, it's a bit male dominant. So I've put in the sex. And so first off, I want to look at the COUNTIF formula. So last time we went through if they got a salary of 30k. Well, say you had hundreds of these and someone said, right, can you just tell me how many people there are who have got salary above 30k. So rather than counting, 1, 2, 3, etc., you can use a formula to count how many times the salary is above £30,000 using this. So let's just look at the formula. So it's equals COUNTIF. So counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. So if we open bracket, so we can start putting our formula together. So the first thing is the range. So remember what I said, I want to say how many times the salary is above 30k using this column. So basically how many times does yes appear. So I highlight that range of data. So that's simple enough. And then when I press comma, the next thing is the criteria. So what am I looking for? So I already said I want to count how many times yes appears, basically, because that is when the salary is above 30k. So speech marks, yes, close brackets, bang. So there are 8 of them, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So easy enough. Now you can, if you put yes there, you can delete that criteria there and select that instead. So you're referencing a particular criteria. So you're saying find the criteria in cell E19. So I've pointed there, and it'll still give me 8. So that's COUNTIF, nice and easy. Now what about if someone said, okay, tell me what about those how many people are on £30,000 and are female? So we've got 2 conditions here. We count it if it's if it's female and the salary is above £30,000. So in fact, let's leave that there. So we've got the yes criteria typed in already. So let's just type in female. So I start a new formula, and this is going to be COUNTIFS. So this is a number of conditions or a number of criteria rather than just one. So I've typed that in, open it up. So now it says criteria range 1. So just like above. So let's highlight that. So this is where the salary is worth £30,000. Criteria 1, so I want it to be where it says yes. And then when I press comma, it's going to give me criteria range 2. So I can now go into this column of data where I've put the sex down, and the criteria I want to be counted is female. So I'll close that off. So the formula is now going to tell me, how many times yes appears here along with female. So it's 3. So female, yes, 1, female, yes, 2, female, yes, 3. So if I change clears salary to 29,000. So you see, obviously the salary is below 30k, but now there's a female there who doesn't have a sign above 30,000, so it's only counted the two of them. So I hope that's a useful demonstration of the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS formula. So give it a go, and if it's useful, leave a comment. If it's not explained properly, just leave a comment, and I'll try and improve it. But yeah, thanks for listening. Take care.